So this is problem number 17 on the Unit 5 practice test. And so they give you a polynomial x cubed plus 2x squared plus 11 over x plus 3. And they ask you to find the quotient and the remainder, and they ask you to do this using long division. Okay, so for long division, I'm going to go ahead and write the x plus 3 out here. And then underneath here, I'm going to write x cubed plus 2x squared plus 11. Okay, so again, we want to make sure we're not missing any terms, and I could see that I'm actually missing an x term. I have x cubed, x squared, and so I actually need a 0x plus 11. So I've got a trinomial, so I need to have, sorry, not a trinomial, but a cubic function, and so I need to have 4 terms there. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do this. So I want to look to see just this leading term here. So just the x. So what do I have to multiply x by to get x cubed? Well, that's going to be x squared. So when I multiply x squared times x plus 3, I get x cubed plus 3x squared. And then I need to subtract here. And so I'm going to just change the signs on here. I'm going to make those negative. And then I'll add these together. So the x cubes cancel out, and I'm left with negative x squared. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring down the 0x. Okay, and it's important to do that. We want to make sure we get the terms and we get all the terms, and we're not skipping any terms or anything. So we'll repeat that process. What do I have to multiply x by to get negative x squared? Well, that has to be negative x. So write that up there. So when I multiply negative x times x plus 3, I get negative x squared minus 3x. And then I want to go ahead and change my signs and add those together. And so I get 3x. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring down the 11. Okay. And then when I do this again, x times what gives me 3x? Well, that's going to be 3. And so I'll multiply 3 times x plus 3. I get 3x plus 9. And then I want to go ahead and subtract. And so I get a remainder of 2. Now the question asks for the quotient and it asks for the remainder. So the remainder here is 2. So this is remainder of 2. And so this would be the quotient here. So this would be the answer. So my answer would be x squared minus x plus 3 with a remainder of 2. Oops, that kind of ran off the screen there. There we go.